What's up, guys? It's December in Michigan and unseasonably warm. It's also unseasonably windy. Not sure if this is actually going to turn into a video or not. Just in case it is, I'm going to say hello. I'm here at the skate park, and what I'm trying to accomplish is just going through the trick list and seeing what we're capable of right now. I've been taking a lot of time off lately. Look at my fat self. And it's about time to get riding again. So, this one's for the 30 and over crowd. Peace. Seriously out of shape. Guess we're taking the first one. I want to clean it up. Crazy for being alone too much, but I heard like a scream when I got up there. Promise, not me at all. Weirdos, man. Yeah, see, dudes, I'm not kidding. Yeah. It's windy, man. Real windy. Yeah, let's give it a couple more tries. Dog. That was first try. I don't care how bad it was. First. I think that's about all I got for now, or all I'm willing to do here in the solo tornado session. If you liked the video, drop a comment below. If you're an old guy like me, tell me what tricks we should be doing next.